Hey there, friends! Welcome back to the farm. Last time we met some awesome animals, and today we're going to meet even more. Let's go see who's waiting for us on this fun farm adventure. Look at those ducks! Ducks love to splash around in the water, and they use their webbed feet to swim super fast. They also quack to talk to each other, just like we say, hello. Ducks can swim, walk, and fly. They're amazing at finding food in the water, like little fish and bugs. And guess what? Ducks lay eggs too, just like chickens. Oh wow, look at those silly goats! Goats love to jump and climb on anything they can find. They're super curious and love to explore the farm. Goats also give us milk, just like cows. Their milk is used to make yummy cheese. And did you know that goats can eat all kinds of plants? Even ones we can't eat? They're like little farm gardeners. Look at that hard-working donkey! Donkeys are really strong and can carry heavy loads on the farm. They help farmers move things like hay, vegetables, and even people. Donkeys are super helpful and friendly. They have great hearing and are always listening to make sure everything is safe on the farm. Look at these cute little guinea pigs. They might be small, but they're full of energy. Guinea pigs love to squeak and run around, and they're always munching on vegetables like carrots and lettuce. Guinea pigs are fun pets to have, and they're very friendly. They love to play and explore their homes. Don't they look like they're having so much fun? And here's the goose. Geese are like the farm's guards. They honk loudly if they see anything unusual to let the other animals know. They're always watching out for the farm. Geese are also great swimmers and love to hang out by the water. They have strong wings and can fly really far when they migrate. They're the farm's protectors and travelers. Wow, what a fun day on the farm! We met quacking ducks, jumping goats, a hard-working donkey, cute guinea pigs, and a watchful goose. Which one was your favorite? If you enjoyed today's adventure, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next farm visit. See you next time, friends!